DT based session. So what is DT based session? Mainly those are 5 stages are there. Define, then ideate, prototype, test. So those are 5 stages of design thinking. So mainly we are incorporating on those things in our subject, right? So we are going to see about resist printing. What is resist? Resist is just stopping. Just controlling something. It is called as resist printing. So resist printing, which means we are going to create some new different types of techniques, and it is called as tie and dye. What is mean by tie and dye? Tie is somewhat tying someone. It is like tying some fabric using some knotting techniques. There are different techniques. We are tying something, and next dyeing is just dye using dye bars. We can have it. How many types of dyes are there? We have learned about it. 8 types. What are they? Direct, natural, sulfur, basic, reactive. Right? So those things are different types of dyes. Using which technique you are preferable, we can go with that. So we are going to see about resist printing, that is tie and dye. So what is mainly for resist? Why we are resisting something? So what is resist? Resist, which means that is stopping something. So if we are using dyes, we have to resist that place that won't get penetrated. The dye won't get penetrated on that place, and it won't get colored on that. That is mainly resist printing. So there are various types. That is tie and dye, and then batik. What is batik? What is batik?
Wax.
Applying wax on the place so that place won't get dyed. That is batik printing. So in that is there are various types are there. So mainly we are just going to see about tie and dye. So what are the types of tie and dye? You know about it. Marking. So how we can test marking?
Crush the fabric.
So just we are just crushing the fabric and just tying on which direction we need, and which direction we can whatever we need, we can read out that. That is marking. Then zigzag. So just taking the fabrics and we are just folding in the diagonal direction, and we just tie where the fabric needed to be plain. It won't get dyed. That is the main concept. Just tying is which place we are just tying, that place won't get dyed. That is the main concept of tie and dye. That is we are just resisting the place. It is tie and dye. So next, what is the next technique? 3 circle pattern. So just taking the fabric and marking 3 circles in different places. That is diagonally or straight or horizontal. Which direction we can just mark 3 circles, and just we are hemming on that place, just shrinking it. This 3 circle pattern. Okay, next sunburst. Sunburst. What is sunburst? Just it is from the center portion. We are taking the center of the fabric. We are tying over the places. How many ties we can tie? We can done. It is n number. Mainly it should be in odd count. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If it is possible, we can go on with 11, 13. But because that will show some different unique pattern. Right? It is mainly of sunburst. Okay. Next. Knotting. What is knot? Just tying something. Using hand, we can just tie it. It is knotting. Knotting is just we are tying it. Where are the knot we need? We can just string the fabric and just tying it. It is knotting. Next, shibori. What is idea about shibori? It is somewhat a new technique. It is mainly done in Japanese case. So just we are doing here. Take a fabric and mark the center place. And just we have to roll it here like this. Okay, we have to roll it like this. We have to tie on all directions. So that how we can tie on this? We have to tie on equal places. Like a round has to be equally divided. Like quarters. 4, 2, 6, 8. Like that we can differentiate and we can mark it. It is the main concept of shibori. After the tying, just using the injections, we can inject the colors whatever the need we have. Based on the need of our idea, we can create colors over it. Right? Next. beads. Beads is nothing but just having a bead here and just tying over here. It is the main concept, right? Pass me that.
Okay.
So next, random tying. Random tying is nothing but just having a fabric here. We have to randomly pick some places. We have to tie them. It is random tying. Whatever the space we need, we can just take in a space and we have to tie it. It is random tying. Object tying is same as like this. That we have to include some object like beads, caps, coins, whatever the things we need based on the size we need. We have to include some objects and we have to tie it. It is object tying. Next, stripes. Stripes name itself it is telling that it should be straight. So just taking a fabric and we have to pleat it like this. Using your hands we have to pleat like this and we have to tie. Is there any count for tying? No. Based on your ideology, your count, we have to tie. It's based on your ideas we can include. So this is the main concept of tying. What is about batik? Do you have any idea about it and how many types are there? Three types. Double color, freehand, single. That is marking. So just having a fabric and using the dye, using the wax over it is, and it should be somewhat very tough and thick, right? So then we have to crackle it and we have to include it in which dye? Reactive dye. It is a cold brand dye, right? We have to go with the reactive dye. So freehand is like that. Freehand is just we have to design something and we have to apply over a wax on it. And then last one is double color. So once we have dyed that, again we have to de-wax it. Again wax should be applied on the fabric. We have to dye again. It is double color. So this are the main concept of resist printing. That is tie and dye and Batik. Okay. Thank you.